What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to get the sweat and sweat wallet. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to the grow button and go to the portfolio. In the portfolio you will see the sweat right over here. So once you go in it, you can simply buy it. So once you go and buy it, you will need to like attach your payment option, which you can use MoonPay or Ramp. So these are some payment methods. The amount of the sweat is right now 0.006571. So that's how you can do it. That's how you can buy it. And if you want to earn it, you can mine it as well. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to go is to go to the main menu. So on the top right corner, you will say minting disable. All you have to do is to enable it. So increase the mining capability. So for that, all you have to do is to run. So sweat is designed to be more difficult to mint with time. Your steps today will mint more sweat than your steps tomorrow. This preserves the token in contributing to a decreasing rate of inflation. We have introduced many other deflationary mechanisms which can be learned about your on our website. So if you, for example, run 1k steps on 2022, you will earn one sweat coin. But if you run 26.7k steps, it will be equivalent to one sweat coin as well. So this is how it goes. The coin value will increase because of the inflation. So that's how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful.